I'm Inga Vidbergs, and I just received my diploma from Barbara Angel for the Tune&Heal healing course. And here's my diploma. I'm very proud of it. So I'd like to share with you one of my clients that I was practicing on. This lady, her name is Marie. She's a 70-year-old lady I'd been seeing her for about 2 years, and she was suffering from arthritis, specifically in her left hip. At that point, when I was working with her, she also had bursitis in that hip with some swelling there. So, and that was, of course, diagnosed by a doctor, and he wanted to do steroid injections in that hip, and she didn't want to do that. So I worked with her. I did the clearing and regulating technique with her, and then I used the OT64 tuning fork on her Z-cleft acupoints, and then I also additionally used some extra acupoints corresponding to hip pain. So in the time that I'd seen her for about 2 years, she'd complained of hip pain constantly at the level of 7 out of 10, never below 7, sometimes higher. And after I worked with her during the first session, when I completed working with her, I asked her what her pain level was, and she said that it was a 3. So she was very happy, and I was very happy. I had seen her a second time the following week and did the same technique with her. And when at the end I asked her her pain level, and she said the pain was gone. And it's now been 8 weeks, approximately 8 weeks later, and she still has no pain in that hip. So she was able to almost completely cut down on her pain meds. She still takes some pain meds for other areas, but I'd only concentrated on the hip. But overall, her pain was much better, and she's also told me that her neuropathy had also lessened. She has neuropathy because she's also diabetic. So I would definitely recommend this method for yourself, for people that you know. I think this is a tremendous asset and a great tool to have to help yourself or other people.